you cannot choke a woman. You cannot choke the throat.
But for me,
Dr. Chisophia went ahead and said small balls. Hello, beautiful lady. How you doing?
I didn't even know that I sent a request. Oh my God.
You did. You go. Can I go ahead? You know the request. I'm born. Oh yeah. Hello, my dear. You go. Can I?
What are we supposed to make up? Or can I make it up?
No. Don't mind about if you can make it, when you make that up, God.
Hello.
Hello, beautiful son. Here we go. Oteja. Full squad or Togo. So you never go carry for Gaby Sabo. I'm a very.
My name is Amak. I'm calling from Canada.
Oh, I'm in Canada. I'm the Canada. Up you guys, man. Up you guys. We love you here in the Canada. So I'm on our person. No. So crazy people, are they good in bed? What experience like that?
Crazy people? I don't know. My husband is not crazy, but he's extremely good.
Extreme.
Yeah, so, in fact, let me not use the word extreme before they will start. Okay, he's not even on it. He's on Instagram, but he's hidden. He doesn't follow anybody.
It's extremely.
Yeah, so. Challenge one game. With the handle.
Because
yeah, so then okay. I'm not about financial stability, about somebody having love. I don't know about others. You know, in marriage, okay, I don't know. For relationship, I think being friends with that person is better than whether the person wants money or, because that's how we get to find out who that person is.
Okay. Being friends.
Yeah, because me and my husband were friends like before we even started the dating proper. So you got my what the person needs, you got my what the person wants. Then and
okay. Just go my friends, eh?
Huh?
Just go my friends for some time.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So
can you talk because never go that jobs and Old go.
On behalf of the Congo, I have to go with the handle.
Have you go? Oh, you have to the handle. Now, this on Instagram, but when we came with the if we say for this, I'll never follow do put himself.
Hi. Extreme.
Yes, so, and I'm not, in fact, so many things to talk about. When they put the man gaga strip club or again, can they know? Much of my neighbor knew my go neighbor.
But why you here? That last year, no.
Oh no, I put that last. Yeah, marriage or partnership. You know, the two of us got rich here.
Okay, let's make it like this. Call we do in equilibrium. Okoro go spa. Now I got strip club.
I have I go know the spa. Oh man, that bonnet enjoy spa.
No, street club culture. Go and tell spa.
So, the spy, I make a bribe, okay?
Spa.
What is spy? Like even when let me start. We met when I was in school. He was just like a year ahead of me, right?
Okay.
So he comes to see me in school. Then he lives in Lagos, but he was like a student in Ekpoma.
Okay, man, I have friends all this while.
Yes, while I was studying. So when I graduated from
let me clear people. Let me clear people and ask. Yeah, I know what people are thinking in their head because you drag. Yeah, don't feel offended.
No.
I'm beginning to have a friend soon and a lot.
At first, no.
Okay,
so let me tell you. So he came to see me, my sister, because I came for a day in Lagos. He came to see me. So my sister now said, this one you're following. There's somebody that likes her. He said, my sister, don't worry about that person. This person is my wife. So my sister said, I'll the confidence.
I'm just friend.
And to God who made me, I had a friend then before him, So I was just laughing. I was just saying, seeing this one. So you see, it's just like this is something that somebody wants, And when I was talking about friendship, you get to understand. Look, me and this person, you quarrel, just like sisters and brothers used to quarrel.
Oh yes.
The ability to, especially in my relationship and my marriage, we talk a lot, we communicate a lot. In fact, there's no topic in this life that cannot be discussed in this house between us. Yes, so whether we are driving and I say I see you using side mirror to look at that girl, you say which girl did I look at? You use your own side mirror and look at the man passing now. So we talk about everything. Yes, so maybe why we say let me see what you are watching. You are watching a woman's because he says, don't I have a phone to watch a man's phone? So that's what I'm saying. You need to understand the person. It's not all about money. If you are a human being and you are breathing, there's no way God will not give you like something to do if you want to. I know that sometimes the situation in the country makes it so hard for some people to try more than it's not like everybody now bambo, or sometimes when I want no situation. So if you're a woman
and extreme like how
I'm supposed to handle because I'm supposed to handle my daughter.
One question. So all this while maybe this relationship, how to tell
no, as friends now. As friends
if I you should know that one is a big lie. How will you know what you are buying?
So numero all the styles. Numero all the styles before na buy inside.
Oh yes. Oh, that means everything it keeps coming out. In fact, now what that life come na no chama butterfly. We borrow my big style, my plier, and my share dey waga. Style na go.
Tamaka ufodu no di ha relax there hey kwezi me explore hey kwezi work that style
me what the style the man dey with style me what I na gonna give me what mother born on him me what the man akuziere
see even men dey find handle they are telling them ni me this people na para
men natural handle mba
lady Biko, I'll give you a sisterly advice. Sisterly. I'm a brother to you.
Yes.
Don't you ever use that word extreme. In the presence of Congos. Each is what we have been working on. You have your Bible why you if you and Kala Tagi or not, if Rocco's or not on our cheery. Whatever you could any able wine, they go for it. Not to be honest here.
Yeah, I'm here.
Hello.
Hello. My president.
Welcome.
You're not gonna go for Nigerian president. I've always said that. Yeah, you have to go,
So go ahead.
Yeah, but go ahead. Let me see what you're saying.
But
thank you for the advice. So when did I turn no handle? Because I said there waga, only that got waga handle.
Yes, yeah, already discharge.
Never. I waga the handle. Ima waga president. Make a waga the design of the handle.
I didn't Unamugo, Unamugo,
Two, a boy and a girl.
Give me an arm.
Yes, so in fact, I'm praying for twins. If people should put hand on my head, I'll be praying for twins.
I pray for twins for you. Me, I want twins too, honey.
Okay, what guys, like you don't know, let me explain. What I've been following this your life for, I think from the day you guys started. When
Wow.
Flavor joined, I don't.
This is my resting place.
I just
my happy place.
I don't comment. I only laugh to so many. So I know everybody that comes here. Everybody that comes here.
Do you know me?
Yes, so.
What's my name?
I don't know your name, but I know that you're a nurse.
Vivian.
I know you're a nurse.
Popular here, not Vivian.
I know you're a nurse, and I know you live in Canada. So
yeah, I live in Canada, yeah. And you're in Canada too, right?
Yeah. I said I know
my Canada people. You see, we've got the prettiest girls in Canada. Like seriously.
Around. In fact, I'm going to Canada.
Valentina.
As you do,
as a mama, you are the prettiest. So.
No, you, yeah, she's the prettiest, you know.
My Igbo, do you know me?
Hey, God, though, one guy has entered here. He's not
going to Igbo land. My Igbo land, everybody knows you.
Okay.
You're one of our celebrities here, and we respect you a lot.
One of my friends, he's a Yoruba guy. He's here laughing. Ask him what he's doing here because he doesn't understand people. Anyway, he's single. You have to watch people now. Victoria one, all the single.
Okay, but you are now.
Okay.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Okay. First of all, I'm not single. And secondly, actually, based on here, for that girl.
Kenko.
That Anambra, mami, the Adan, whatever.
The lady there first, right?
Yeah, the lady that was talking about
mingling people.
No, mingling people, yeah. That,
okay.
You know.
Go ahead.
Okay. First of all, based on Valentina.
Yeah.
My love to you. You're my sweetheart first.
Okay.
One of my sweethearts here, honey.
Oh yeah.
And first of all, I'm not single here, but this is my resting place. Like I love you, honey. You're in Canada,
you are not single. Yeah, Akajim. You engaged.
Yeah.
So on your for when you engaged.
Yeah, I am. But this is more like my resting place because my sister, you said you're in Canada, right? Canada.
Yeah, so I live in Toronto.
I live in Toronto too.
Okay.
And
okay.
All right.
Why
can you keep having all the Toronto girls today?
My dear, it's a beautiful. So you can't you see our red with white?
Yeah, that's a color, you know.
It's a solidarity. It's a solidarity.
We're fully booked. Like guys looking for people for Canadian girls and stuff. We're all fully booked, sort of, you know.
Oh,
and,
okay.
As a student in the you know, but I'm not
fully booked, eh? This go book. In Canada, this go book, like she said, fully booked. But even change
comment section. So it's spelled Toronto, but you don't call it Toronto. It's called Toronto.
Okay.
So for you to be laughing, it is spelled Toronto. Like that is how you call it. That is the spelling. But the pronunciation is not Toronto. It's
Save
Toronto.
our here.
Anything Toto na Toto, so Toronto.
Okay. So to can I my dear, you say go ahead.
Mmadụ niile na-eji KY gel. Ire otu aha akwado ya akwado.
Oh, when you ask 69 after penetration. Yeah, you see.
Now what for you? Even ihe na-egbu I will pretend. Gịnị do wrong na 69 after penetration? Don't.
Then you be sucking your own pussy.
It doesn't mean
na toilet, then you want first.
But I can go by Okum on azụ dom, so that is it. Unu deny some people their right to, because since unu kwere here now, we have much of the nasty na-ekwu here, because ihe niile a na-ekwu gbasara akpatakwa ego or love, here depends on the individual and it's between both of them. So, no. Onye ọra na-ekwu ebe ọ na-akpa ya. No, because this argument, emegidekwa ya today ruo tomorrow. Ndị ga-achọkwa ego ga-achọ ego. Ndị ga-achọkwa love ga-achọ love. So there is no need of talking about it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
Because here we show na enwere nwaanyị ndị chọrọ ego from nwoke. Nwe ụmụ nwoke legekwa anya to get money.
If you talk about how
No. Ask him. Waga, just listen.
Hold on.
In that topic, in your chọrọ nasty, our own topic. That's what I'm saying.
Kue. Na ga-aghọta bụ na nasty bụ otu ama na agala ise game. Ịghọta ife mbe. So, ọ adị mma nwoke fisi otu ama na agala ije na-amakwa ikwe.
Because
if ịfụrụ anyị na-akpa were ya ka foreplay.
I know, but let it not take all our time, because that's what we have been talking to.
Well, Nwayo, Keta, I am asking you a very simple question. Yeah, get me.
Huh?
Ela katanya botu or dry, yeah, get a figure, me.
Oh, no, now. Hey. Otum teme Anahama just where I'm now my auntie manual. I don't do that. I change things. I do things, you know. You can't just be putting your dick from time to time. It's not the way. You change. Even ya no kwughị ga-aba there self ijiri okwu gị tinye there. I'm just joking.
This one is very nasty, Nwaga. This one is very nasty.
The problem now, onye alalo isi
We like them rotten.
We
like them rotten.
My Igbo land. Check and jog. You got like it. That one. As is 69.
Oh yes.
That is in form of my mechanic my 69. But him na I can't stay steady. On a train. On a drink them so much. So
it tickles you. It's tickling me. It's
tickling me. You will regret this statement you make it now. Nanya. If we didn't even put that, mark my words, my Igbo Ele keg na bed. Ụkwụ na aka. Not you. Every man, it will happen. No, I know. What I'm doing, you see your water bomb.
I know where my fault is. I know where my fault is. I can't withstand it. But ngejide nwanyị, ngejide nwanyị, ngemechi yourself. John Motor na achacha white.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. Nanya. Honorable Nanya. Every for my Igbo land, what I feel from what he's saying, he's a full-time pleaser. Oh, you porn like it.
No. For me.
They treat
I know. I derive joy.
Because
I derive joy when I'm seeing the reaction from the woman. I derive the joy, or I get that energy when the woman is reacting. With the energy, and all the build that stimulus.
You're going to full reaction in gagging. Okay, when my gag reflexes. My
Igbo. Oh.
That's what made for you.
Okay, my Igbo land. That time, you see the girl named Maggie 69, that your body will be tickling you, tickling, right? So actually, my Keudika sound in that time. What kind of sound in that time?
What kind of sound?
In a home, you can hear any type. My sound is you, my
sound.
Yes.
No, I'm sure that my Igbo land for me, because I'm
telling you the fact. I'm telling you the fact.
I can. Because I'm really helpless.
Yes.
No. I will not try it. I will not try it. I can do anything, but they will not try it on me.
So
because
that time.
I am a gag reflex. In a phone on a even in Weber. If I'm on a letter,
the issue the issue I may drive with the energy or the joy. I treat my woman to get the reaction from what she is doing or from the way she is reacting.
Okay, what if the girl likes to get the same reaction?
Yeah. On a day I'm difficult. So I can have little
you see somebody like Silva. She's equally a pleaser, which I know. Or testify.
Yeah.
My mustard oil.
No, Dr. Chisombao. Achom.
And Waga, every amazing we lend you maybe
You like it. Then I could fly more now. I got back here sis. You got me down music. I can kiss you boy here. Because
I'm just being frank about it.
okay.
That's on MM jiggling or something like that. But I need to build it. I need to build it up.
I got you he got you that way. Ain't no you gonna take an incredible off. Because Valentina, I helpless. Or man make you go come and you get pussy.
Okay. Yeah, but for now, I don't need it. I don't need it.
Yeah, man, you have my payback for you.
And I'm on my Igbo land. They do come email because although big, I just do.
This girl is bad.
Like this.
She said the dick is not big. She said it's small.
A small cap and then to woman or Maro. So
they do this blanket and that's how the saga is.
No,
the armor asks that on it you cannot choke a woman. It cannot choke the throat.
For me,
Dr. Sophie went ahead and said small balls. Yeah, this one get the one on the side is like this.
I'm getting angry now. I'm getting angry. No, the fact. So I'm getting angry now.
Oh my goodness, God. Oh, he's covering the place with the bottle. He's covering it with the bottle. He's not showing it.
Bye.